The warning saying check smart cruise control system in your Hyundai means that there are issues with the front radar sensor alignment or communication. There are 3 common ways this radar can start sending wrong readings to the system. Firstly, the radar area may need cleaning. If there is mud, snow, water on the front bumper, this is most likely the culprit. Cleaning the contamination and driving several miles will fix the issue. Secondly, if your battery goes very low, the radar may lose its calibrations and stop working. After you replace the battery, it may recalibrate on its own after several miles of driving, but in some cases you will need to go to the dealership and have it calibrated with a good scanner and special targets. Thirdly, the radar may be damaged during a front-end accident. Even a very slight punch on the front bumper may hit the radar out of alignment by bending its metal mount bracket. Also, this may be an actual damage to the radars when they require replacement after very minor front-end accident. And unfortunately, Hyundai radars may just be faulty because of unknown reasons and require replacement. This is not common for these radars, but not impossible anyway. Also, if mechanics tell you the radar needs to be replaced and it's not covered under warranty anymore, it makes sense to check all the connections in the radar area. If they are wet, corroded or loose, this is certainly the culprit of the problem, but it's not that common in Hyundai vehicles. Of course, when you see this warning, your adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking and other radar-related functions won't be working.